Hello everyone. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 11, mouth, teeth and tongue. As you know that mouth, teeth and tongue are the parts of our body. Let's learn more about it. The mouth consists of the teeth and tongue. They play an important role in helping us to digest what we eat. What teeth do? Teeth help us to look our best. Teeth help us to speak clearly and pronounce words clearly, correctly. Teeth help us chew and eat our food. Our teeth help us to look good, gives a shape to our face. Our teeth help us to chew food properly before we swallow it. Human beings grow two sets of teeth during their lifetime. The first tooth comes out when the baby is about 6 months old. Are two sets of teeth, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth. By the age of 2 or a half, a baby has about 20 teeth. This first set of teeth is called milk teeth. When a child is about 6 years old, milk teeth begin to fall. They are replaced by a new set of teeth called permanent teeth. By the time a child is about 12 years old, all milk teeth are replaced by a set of 28 permanent teeth. 4 more teeth called wisdom teeth grow between the age of 12 and 21. An adult has 32 permanent teeth. Parts of a tooth is divided into two parts, that is crown and root. Crown is the visible part of a tooth. Root is the portion of the tooth which is inside the gums. Gums are the soft, pink and fleshy part surrounding the teeth. Enamel is the hard substance covering the crown that is visible to you all. Dentine supports the enamel. Pulp is the soft substance that fills the empty space within the tooth. You can see the diagram of a part of a tooth. It's very important, you have to remember this. Our teeth have different shapes to help us eat different kinds of food. Kinds of teeth, that is incisor, that is biting teeth, canines, tearing teeth, premolar, grinding teeth, molar, chewing teeth. Incisors are the 4 front teeth in each jaw. They have a sharp, straight and cutting edge. There are 8 incisors in our mouth. They are also called biting teeth. Canine. Canine are the two pointed teeth, one on each side of the incisor. We have 4 canines. They help us to tear flesh. Premolars. Premolars are the 4 flat teeth, 2 on each side of the canines. They grind and mash the food we eat. There are 8 premolars in our mouth. Molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw, 3 of each side of the premolars. They are broad teeth with points and grooves. They help in chewing the food. There are 12 molars in our mouth. Is the diagram of a mouth where you can get the types of teeth. Taking care of teeth. It is necessary to take care of our teeth so that they do not decay or fall. It will helpful to follow the points given below. Brush your teeth properly. Brush with small round movement to clean the teeth from outside. Next, move the toothbrush up and down to remove the food particles from the gaps between the teeth. Never brush backward or forward. This can damage the gums. Brush the inside of the teeth in each jaw gently. Rinse your mouth with the water after every meal. It removes the food particles stuck between the teeth. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before you go to the bed at night. Eat healthy food like carrot, radish and cabbage. They exercise the teeth and gums. Avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates. Bacteria grow very fast on them. They secrete an acid that makes a hole in your tooth. This hole is called cavity. You can see here cavity. Visit a dentist once in 6 months. Use a dental floss. It is a thread that helps to remove the food that is stuck between your teeth where the toothbrush cannot reach. Massage your gums with your thumb. Gums are important because they support the teeth. Not caring for them can result in diseases. Tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ. It has no bones It helps us to taste and move the food around. Tongue helps us to speak, help us to taste and move the food around. Four kinds of taste bud, that is sweet, bitter, sour, salty. The upper surface of the tongue has tiny bumps that contain taste buds. Four kinds of taste buds are grouped together on certain area of the tongue. You can see in this picture. Within the taste buds, the nerves that send the information of taste to the brain. Here you can see sweet, sour, bitter, salty. Taste zone on the tongue. Taking care of tongue. We can take care of the tongue in following ways. The tongue gets covered with bacteria that grows in the mouth. Clean the tongue gently with a tongue cleaner after brushing the teeth. An unclean tongue causes bad breath. Do not eat spicy food or drink very hot liquid. It can cause blisters on the tongue. It is called blister. Teeth of animals. Most animals have teeth. Their teeth are suited to the kind of food they eat. Herbivores eat plant. They have strong, flat and sharp incisor for biting and cutting the plants. They have well-developed molars to chew and mash the food. They have a gap between the front and the back teeth as they do not have canines. Here is the picture of a cow and zebra. Carnivores eat flesh. They have well-developed canines to tear flesh and strong grinding teeth to chew it. Here you can see the picture of a lion and wolf. Animals like rabbit and squirrel eat fruit and nuts. They have a pair of very sharp front teeth that help them to gnaw. They are called gnawing animals or rodent. Reptiles and fish have all teeth of nearly the same size and shape. They use them to catch their prey. They replace their teeth continuously. You can see here an alligator and whale. I hope you understood the chapter. Your work is to read the chapter again and again, learn difficult words and also learn the diagram and labeling of a part of a tooth and kinds of teeth and kinds of taste bud. Thank you and have a nice day.